Hi, this is how you enable the auto power off feature on the JBL Live 780NC headphones, a really neat option to have set to on to save as much battery power as possible for those times where you just put the headphones down but forget to turn them off. To be able to change this setting, first make sure that you have connected the headphones to your phone and that you have the JBL headphones app installed on it. Then open the app and select the third settings tab called Other. In here, just scroll down a little bit and toggle the switch next to auto power off and whether you want the headphones to turn off after 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours of idle time. A note here is also, like the little info message states, that if you have ANC turned off and leave the headphones unconnected to any phone or other device, they will also power off after a little while in order to conserve battery, even if you don't have the auto power off functionality set to on. Alright, that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.